Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G15, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. To get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with a device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, extend one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Next, take off the casing of your device if you're using one, as the tray is located on the top right side of the device, which you don't have access with the case on. Next, we're just gonna insert that pin right here. You wanna push it in, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to now pull it out. On the tray, you will have space for 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card. I'm gonna plop my cards on the tray. There we go. And from there we can just insert it carefully into the device. Carefully, because there's nothing holding these cards in place, so they could just kind of jump out of place sometimes. Once you insert the cards, they should start working right away, hence why it's telling me to enter SIM card pin. This unlocks my SIM card, and we should also have notification about SD card being inserted, and there it is. So both cards are working as I mentioned. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.